Today we are making baked macaroni and cheese. So join me in the kitchen. Look at this thick, creamy, delicious sauce. Okay, now enough of the temptation and let's get baking. We're gonna need 400 grams of elbow macaroni prepared according to package direction, 3 cups of grated New Zealand cheddar cheese, 3 cups of grated mozzarella cheese, 2½ cups of full-fat milk, 1 cup of evaporated milk, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/8 teaspoon of salt or to taste, and finally 2 chicken bouillon cubes. In a hot pan over medium high heat, melt the butter. Mix in the flour and allow to cook until slightly brown. Mix in 1/3 of the milk until thickened. The mixture should resemble the texture of heavy cream. Now mix in the remainder milk along with the evaporated milk. Mix in the chicken bouillon cubes and the salt to taste. Add in 3/4 of each cheese. Mix until the cheeses are melted. Mix in the cheese sauce into the prepared macaroni. Pour the mixture into a greased baking pan and top with the remainder cheeses. Place in a preheated 350-degree oven and bake for 20 to 30 minutes or until it looks like this. Serve on its own or serve as a side dish with your favorite meal. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more simple recipes.